present over here. So we are going to start today's class. Today's class was actually going to be taken by Chandrachud sir, a poetry session, but he is not available. So we have with us Panchanan sir today. He'll be taking a grammar session. So I'm sharing my screen now. Just a minute, sir. Yeah, here it is. Can you see it, sir? Yes, it is visible. Okay. Okay. So this is the first point. Okay.
Okay.
You may over to you, sir.
Okay, is there anybody who can read it out? Because I'm using my mobile phone, so it's not visible for me. Can you? Anybody from you?
Any participant
yes,
who wants to? Yeah.
Okay, from where? From the first note, from this concept. Sir, from where will I? Hello?
Ah,
Yes, sir.
read from the first, very first.
Okay, sir. Present perfect one experience. Talking about a non-definite time in the past. Concept. Katha is an English teacher. She has been to a lot of different countries. Look at her photos. Where has she been? She been to, Budapest, Prague, Paris, Berlin, Riga. Do you know when she went to these places? Yes or no? What tense is she has been? Been is the past participle of the verb dash. The past participle is the third part of the verb. There is a list of irregular past participles in Appendix 1. Interviewer. Katha, have you ever been to Paris? Katha, yes, I have. Actually, I have been there 5 to 6 times. I first went there in 1985 and fell in love. Interviewer, what other cities have you visited? Katha, well, I have been to most of the big cities in Europe, but I have never been to Moscow. I went to St. Petersburg last year, though. Scrolling.
Yeah, please continue.
Katha, yes, of course. Interviewer, have you been to Seoul? Katha, no, I have not. I have not been to Southeast Asia. Maybe next year. I have been there 5 to 6 times. Do you know when? Yes or no? What tense does she use? Present perfect or simple past? I first went there in 1985. Do you know when? Yes or no? What tense does she use? Present perfect or simple past? Did you visit the Winter Palace when you were in St. Petersburg? Is the interviewer talking about a definite time in the past? Have you been to Seoul? Is the interviewer talking about a definite time in the past? Yes or no?
Okay, thank you, Sharan. Thank you. Thank you. So here today we'll discuss present perfect tense and its use. Point number one is we use it to talk about our past experience. Okay, without any time reference. I have talked to you. I have talked to you in my first class. Okay, so here is an example for you, which Sharon has just read it out to you. So we can use this present perfect tense to talk about our experience. without any time reference. Here is Katha is an English teacher. She has been to many places. Okay, many lots of different countries, and the places she has visited have been given in the form of pictures. You might have seen it. Okay, so she has already visited these places, and she has written from those places also. Okay. So here, do you know when she went to these places? Do you know, is there any time reference given? Hello, is there anybody? Is there any time reference given? No. Hello?
Please reply, participants.
Is there any time reference given? Time reference दिया है कि ये कथा एक्सप्रेस जो विजिट करी थी जो कंट्री सब डिफरेंट कंट्री सब विजिट करी थी तार टाइम पीरियड दिया है टाइम रेफरेंस दिया है कि नहीं दिया है कि नहीं
Sir,
No, sir.
हाँ टाइम रेफरेंस दिया है नहीं है ना
sir, when she gone to Paris, there is given 1985 the year.
Where?
Sir, there is a line where Katha is saying that she has gone to Paris in 1985.
No, not she. She first went there in 1985. First went there in 1985. Not the experience. She has mentioned I first went there in 1985 and fell in love with it.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, do you know when she went these places? No. What tense is she has been? What is the tense she has been? When
Present
we
perfect.
use
Present
the-
perfect.
Yes, present perfect. She has been to. When we use been to, that means we have gone to that place and returned from that places. Suppose if I say I have gone to Delhi, that means I am still there. I have not returned from Delhi. But if I say I have been to Delhi, that means I have gone to Delhi and returned from Delhi. बुझिएगा कि नहीं difference?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
I have gone to Delhi means I am still there in Delhi, not returned. And if I say I have been to Delhi, that means I have gone to Delhi and I have returned from Delhi. Understood? बुझिएगा कि नहीं?
Yes, sir.
Understand, sir.
तो been है past participle form of to go. Go. बुझिएगा का? लिखिनियो, note करिनियो. Been है past participle of the verb to go. Go. লেখা হেলা
Yes, sir.
Okay, now let's
Yes, sir.
take a look at the dialogue or at the conversation between interviewer or Katha. Okay, interviewer. Katha, have you ever been to Paris? Katha, yes, I have. Yes, I have actually. I have been there for 5 or 6 times. बुझेला इंटरव्यूअर कहते कथा हैव यू एवर बीन टू पेरिस कथा yes I have actually I have been there for 5 or 6 times but I don't know exactly when तापर से मेंशन कर दे 80 टाइम रेफरेंस करिनि से yes I have been to Paris that means actually I have been there 5 or 6 times मो से जगह को 4 to 6 times ମୁଁ ଯାଇଛି but I don't know exactly when but ତାପରେ କହୁଛନ୍ତି I first went there in 1985 ଯେତେବେଳେ ସେ ଟାଇମ ରେଫରେନ୍ସ ୟୁଜ କରିଦେ ଟାଇମ ୟୁଜ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଟାଇମ ରେଫରେନ୍ସ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ସେ ଜାଗାରେ କୋଉ ଟେନ୍ସ ୟୁଜ ହେଉଛି past perfect I first went subject plus verb to I first went there in 1985. तो मुझे दिन तुमको कहली समस्त को जे we can use time reference for present past perfect tense. बुझे ना जिते बड़ा हमको टाइम जोड़ा जिते बड़ा हमको टाइम रेफरेंस हमको देना सेते बड़ा हमें पास्ट सिंपल टेंस यूज करबा. दैट मींस आई वेंट टू दिल्ली in 2015 means I know the time when I visited Delhi. Okay, yeah. Interview. What other cities have you visited? Well, I have been to most of the big cities in Europe, but I have never been to Moscow. I went to St. Petersburg last year though. देखो, I went to Saint ना Shubhranshu.
I guess sir, St. Petersburg. It's a place in near Moscow. Near
last
Moscow.
year. देखो बाकी सेंटेंस रे बोल्ड जोटा बोल्ड रे अछि सेटा प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस से यूज होछि. आ देखो आई वेंट टू सेंट पीटरबर्ग लास्ट ईयर दो एडी पास्ट सिंपल टेंस जेते बळे लास्ट ईयर टाइम रेफरेंस होछि से जगह रे पास्ट सिंपल टेंस हेछि. बुझेला तो यूज हेछि. तापर इंटरव्यू. डिड यू विजिट द विंटर पैलेस when you were in St. Petersburg? टाइम रेफरेंस जेते बळे तमे सेंट पीटर्सबर्ग रे थिला सेते बळे विंटर पैलेस के विजिट कलो की बुलिया को जाइथिला की कथा को यस ऑफ कोर्स. इंटरव्यू. हैव यू बीन टू सियोल? नो आई haven't been to South East Asia. Maybe next year. बुझियला त डिफरेंस है डायलॉग रे. जोटा प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस यूज करछ डायलॉग रे यूज करा है छी ताई रे टाइम रेफरेंस दिया है नहीं बट जोटा से एग्जैक्टली टाइम रेफरेंस दिया है छी से जगह रे पास्ट सिंपल टेंस यूज है छी. तापर हमें ताको इंटरप्रिटेशन करबा. देखो से डायलॉग को आई हैव बीन देयर 5 or 6 times. डू यू नो व्हेन? यस और नो. हमें ये डायलॉग को इंटरप्रेट करबा एनालिसिस करबा. देखो आई हैव बीन देयर 5 or 6 times. डू यू नो व्हेन?
No, sir.
नो. What tense does she use? Present perfect or simple past?
Present perfect, sir.
Yeah. I first went there in 1985. Do you know when?
Yes, sir.
Yes. What time does she use? Present perfect or past simple?
Past simple, sir.
Yes. Did you visit the Winter Palace when you were in St. Petersburg? Is the interviewer talking about a definite time in the past?
Yes, sir.
Yes, exactly. Because when you are there at in St. Petersburg, it has a time period, time reference. Have you been to Seoul? Is the interviewer talking about a definite time in the past? No.
Sir.
Rata?
He just asking, have you been? Yes, sir.
Okay. Any doubt? शरण ने और क्या क्या
Sir,
था?
can we use time? Sir, can we use time reference in past perfect?
No. सेटा अछि तमर ओटा अछि सेटा देखो मैं कहि दउछि.
Sir.
You note करो. Since present simple since and okay since of for सेटा हैला. I have been teaching English for the last 15 years. But I don't know exactly when I started.
Okay.
But 14 years. अरे 14 वर्ष हैला मैं इंग्रजी पढ़े आसुची. पढौछि that means.
Okay, sir.
But I have been teaching English since 2005 exact time ମୁଁ ଜାଣିଛି ହେଲା
Yes, sir.
ଏଇଟା ତ ଏ ପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟ ପରଫେକ୍ଟ ଟେନ୍ସ ରେ ବି ସେମିତି ସିନ୍ସ ଆଉ ପରଫେକ୍ଟ ଟେନ୍ସ ୟୁଜ ହୁଏ ଯେମିତି ସରି ଏ ପିରିୟଡ଼ ଯେମିତି I have lived in Navrampur since 2018.
Okay.
I have lived in Navrampur for 3 years.
Okay. We are not talking about time. Yes, sir.
टाइम तो ये देखो ये प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट सिंस और फॉर लगे था टाइम रेफरेंस मन हाँ
Present perfect and past perfect also we can use since and for.
नहीं नहीं सिंस वो यूज हुए नहीं है ना
Yes.
सिंस ओनली प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट और पास्ट प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअसली यूज हुए आगे कितना सेंटेंस लिखो फर्स्ट है ना
Yes, sir.
चैट बॉक्स में मैं डाकुची लिखो तुम्हें
Yes, sir.
I have known that person for 3 years. For 3 years to underline करो
So, one second.
अब ये तुम्हें टाइप करके तो होना होगा चैट बॉक्स में
Sir, ମୁଁ କରୁଛି. I have known that person for 3 years.
हाँ
For 3 years को underline हबो.
That person continues.
ओके I have started learning English. I have started learning English since 2019.
Yes, sir.
Since 2019 को अंडरलाइन कर दिया
Since 2009 to underline हबो. Yes.
I have been ill for 3 months. I have been ill for 3 months. For 3 months को अंडरलाइन करो
Sure.
चला I have कौन सेंटेंस की सेंटेंस लिख लो
I have been ill for
I have
3
been ill for
months.
3 months.
सेटा को लिखो I have been ill since 2000 since January 2021 बुझिएगा तो फॉर प्लस पीरियड ऑफ टाइम लिखी जाए कंप्लीट करो फॉर प्लस पीरियड ऑफ टाइम जोटा कि एग्जैक्ट टाइम नहीं रखे जैसे फॉर ए लॉन्ग टाइम फॉर सो मेनी इयर्स हैं
So,
Verb
Also
plus
many
period
years.
of time.
period of time.
Again.
Since plus.
सिंस प्लस पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम
Okay, sir.
लिखी दिया सुग्रांश लिखी दिया
आगे,
फॉर
sir.
प्लस पीरियड ऑफ टाइम एंड सिंस प्लस पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम एग्जैक्ट टाइम
लिखि देइछि sir. Verb plus period of time, since plus point of time. एठी का बेसिक कंफ्यूजिंग पॉइंट था सर एटा थैंक्स फॉर क्लियरिंग दिस आउट
मुझे लता
Thank you.
सिंस बेसिकली का यूज करंती सिंस सो मेनी इयर सिंस ए लॉन्ग टाइम नो सेमती हबो नै भूल सेटा सिंस बोले एग्जैक्ट टाइम सिंस जनवरी सिंस संडे सिंस 10 o'clock सिंस 1947 सिंस 2011 पूरा एग्जैक्ट टाइम हेबार अछि आउ फॉर हला जोटा कि तुम जानि ना एग्जैक्ट टाइम बट 3 मास हला मु ताको जानि छी 4 वर्ष हला मु ताको जानि छी अब एग्जैक्ट आकार से व्हेन एग्जैक्टली आई तेणु सिंस प्लस पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम आउ फॉर प्लस पीरियड ऑफ टाइम ओके
Yes, sir.
नेक्स्ट ये बाहर करो तो नेक्स्ट स्लाइड
Yes, sir. Time up to now.
प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट आम प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट रे एक्सपीरियंस केमती नारेट करवा सेटा पढ़िले है ना डिस्कस कले बट नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस टाइम अप टू नाउ टाइम अप टू नाउ talking about something that started in the past and continues up to now. Photo. Chitrasen, read it up.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Jitu is Indian, but he lives in Venezuela. Interviewer. How long have you lived in Venezuela?
Lived. Hello, Chitrasen. Hold. It is lived in Venezuela. Live ro alga meaning. हाँ. तो प्लीज पुणे आउथरे पढ़ो.
कौन सर?
Lived. तमे सेटा live कह देलो. That will be lived. Okay. Yeah.
Okay, sir. Starting to पढ़ी ना सर?
हाँ. सही लाइन टा वह जीतू जोड़ा कोच.
Okay, sir.
हाँ.
Sure, sir. Okay, sorry, sir. Interviewer. How long have you lived in Venezuela? Jitu. Well, I came here in 1991. So I have been here for 6 years now. Interviewer. Are you going to stay? Jitu. Yes, I have been married to a Venezuelan since 1993. It is a great country. I love the people, the weather. Jitu, live in Venezuela, is this talking about now or the past? सर एतिकी पढ़ी क्या हो? हेलो?
हाँ.
Okay, sir. Jitu came to Venezuela in 1991. Is this talking about now or the past? Jitu has lived in Venezuela for 6 years. Is this talking about now, the past, or now and the past? Jitu is married. Is this talking about now or the past? Jitu got married in 19 about now or the past. Jitu has been married since 1993. Is this talking about now, the past, or now and the past? Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
हाँ किए इंटरप्रेट करेगा इंटरप्रेट करो आप एक्सप्लेन करो
Sharanya, would you like to do it?
Okay. Sir, here Jitu is an Indian and now he lives in Venezuela. Then one interviewer asked him for how long you have been living in Venezuela, and Jitu said, well, he is living. He gone to Venezuela in the year 1991, and he has been there since for 6 years now. And then interviewer asked him, you must like. So are you must like Venezuela, and are you going to stay in Venezuela? Then Jitu said, yes, he has been married in Venezuela since 1993, and he loves the people and weather there.
What did you make sense of it? Did you make sense of it? Or what's your understanding about this passage, this dialogue?
Yes, in this it is given the present perfect, and the questions has been asked that is Jitu lives in Venezuela. Is he talking about now, or he is talking about his past?
For example, if I say, I joined a spoken English class in 2019. I am still going to that institute. And एक मिनट, just a minute. Huh? How long? Okay, the interviewer. How long have you lived in Venezuela? Well, I came here in 1991. Time reference. So I have been there here for 6 years now, from 1991 till now. मुझे ना जैसे connect कला 1991 और till now to connect कला. So he started living in Venezuela from 1991 up to now, and he's still living there. मुझे ना था.
Yes, sir.
Ah.
Yes, sir.
And you first like it here. Are you going to stay? Yes, I have been married to a Venezuelan since 1993. It is a great country. I love people. I love the people, the weather. Jitu lives in Venezuela. Is this time about now? Yes. He's now or the past? कौन को?
Now, sir.
हाँ?
He is talking about the present moment, sir.
Repeat the question. Actually, I'm not able to hear.
Talking about now. He lives in Venezuela, है ना? Present? Then, is this talking about now or the past? सब करो. If he lives in Venezuela, is this talking about now or past? Now. Means that history, he is still living there. Now, है ना? तापर Jitu came to Venezuela in 1991. Is this talking about now or the past?
Past, sir.
Past, because it's a time reference also in 1991 he came to Venezuela. Then Jitu has lived in Venezuela for 6 years. Is this talking about now, the past, or now and the past? এটা ହେଲା past କୁ ବି ବୁଝଉଛି, now କୁ ବି ବୁଝଉଛି ହେଲା, କାରଣ he started living in Venezuela from 1991 and he is still living there. ଆମେ ଦୁଇଟା ଜିନିଷ ଯଦି କରେକ୍ଟ କରିବା ଆମେ ପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟ ପରଫେକ୍ଟ ଟେନ୍ସ ୟୁଜ କରିବା. ବୁଝିଗଲା ତ?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I have known that person means you know that person from a definite period of time, point of time maybe, or suppose you met that person in 2019. You are still meeting that person. So you have known that person from 2019. So it says, yes, I have known that person. That means this sentence refers to the past and the present. मुझे लगता?
Yes, sir.
The next slide.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Match the sentences. Yeah.
Next.
Yes, sir. I have scrolled.
Last one.
Oh, last one. Okay. Okay.
Ah.
Unit 42. Yes. Sir, is this the one?
Complete the sentences using the underlined verb and for or since. Here is an example given for you. It is June. Ravi is in England. He arrived in England in March. Ravi has been in England since March. Ravi has been in England for 3 months. BLR, it is 1997. Deepak and Sumitra know Peter. They met him in 1995. Deepak and Sumitra dates Peter 1995. What a point of the age, what a period of time, mane rakho. करो सर किए क्या चल रहा मैं ना तो पढ़ी देगा तू
Sir,
बेसिक इंग्लिश भगवती नायक रश्मि सागर शरण्य सगळं पढ़े तो पिला कौन पिला इतने पिला ओहो सुरांशु
sir.
वेरी डिस्करेजिंग यार
कौन करियो sir? I have dropped a message in every group. There are hundreds of people in the group, but still children are not coming. It's very bad. कौन कर पाया? We are doing
हाँ
it.
ये सब करो
Yeah. Okay. Come on.
अरे गोटे एग्जांपल दिया है कि तम भाई करो ଏବେ ଆମେ ଡିସ୍କସ୍ କଲୁ ପରା ସିନ୍ସ ର ୟୁଜ୍ ଆଉ ଫର୍ ର ୟୁଜ୍ ପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟ ପରଫେକ୍ଟ ଟେନ୍ସ ରେ କେମିତି ୟୁଜ୍ ହୁଏ କନଫ୍ୟୁଜ କେମିତି
Sir, the first answer would be Deepak and Sumitra met Peter in 1995.
ହଁ
And sir, the second one is
अरे ଏବେ ଡିସ୍କସ୍ କରୁ ସିନ୍ସ ପ୍ଲସ୍ ପଏଣ୍ଟ ଅଫ ଟାଇମ୍ ଆଉ ଫର୍ ପ୍ଲସ୍ ପିରିୟड ଅଫ ଟାଇମ୍ ବୋଲିକି କନଫ୍ୟୁଜନ କାହିଁକି କଣ ଚିତ୍ର ସେନ ବି ନାହିଁ
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Deepak and Sumitra has known
Deepak and
Peter.
Sumitra know Peter in 1995, हो sir.
କଣ କଣ
Deepak and Sumitra. Hello. Deepak and Sumitra know Peter in 1995.
I have known Peter
Yes. Deepak and
since
Sumitra has known
1995.
have known Peter
Sir.
since 1995. And
Deepak
second one,
and Sumitra know Peter since 2 years.
Deepak and Sumitra have known Peter for 2 years, sir. Second one.
For 2 years, yes. Then she tried. Try
It is
see.
19. Yes.
See.
Yes, sir. It is 1997. I have a cat. I brought the cat in 1996. I dash a cat. Okay. A year. Okay. I have brought a cat before a year. No.
Before दिया है नहीं तुमको since और for use करो.
Yes, sir.
Well. I have brought a cat for a year.
Okay.
है ना?
I have brought a cat for a year. Yes.
And then second,
I bought a cat last year. I bought a cat.
since last year.
No.
since last year. I have bought a cat since last year. तुमको present perfect tense use करवाना है मना रखो.
Okay, sir.
तापरे D. Anybody?
She lives in
अरे first पढ़ो.
Sir.
Read the
First
first
para.
sentence. First
Okay,
sentence.
sir. It is
It is 1997.
1997. She lives in
Maldives. He's having some issues, I think. Basic English lab, you can try. Yeah.
Sure, sir. She has been in Maldives since 1993. And second one, she has been in Maldives for 4 years.
Then E.
D. E is.
E. D ना?
It is November 30. Shyam is 21. His birthday was 16 November. Shyam 2 weeks. Okay. Shyam has been 21 for 2 weeks. Then Shyam has been 21 since 16 November.
Okay.
Then F. It is April. We work in Chennai. We started working in Chennai in January. We have been in Chennai since January. Then we have been in Chennai for 3 months.
Very good, very good, very good. आओ बाकी लोगों में चेष्टा करो for data case चेष्टा करो.
Sir, sir, I have done. It is 1997. Sheila lives in Maldives. She came to Maldives in 1993. She lives in Maldives since 1993. And the second is she lived in Maldives for 4 years. First one is she lives in Maldives since 1993, and second one is she lives in Maldives for 4 years.
D.
Yes, sir. D.
आखिर करो.
D. It is 1997. Sheila lives in Maldives. She came to Maldives in 1993. She dash in Maldives dash 1993. She lives in Maldives since 1993. Sir, it is correct? Is it correct?
Since
Since, and the second one is she lives in Maldives for 4 years.
Hello, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then next questions about the situation in exercise 1.
Sir, excuse me, sir.
Example, how long Ravi be in England? How long has Ravi been in England? Question करो. इतने सुंदर क्लासेस है, ऐसे क्लासेस कितने प्रैक्टिकल क्लास को पिलाने के लिए अटेंड करना थी. ये मान को पूरा ऐसे कमर्शियल इंस्टीट्यूट दरकार. सुब्रांशु सोई पढ़ लोगी.
Nice, sir. I am here only. Sir, we can't do anything because it's in their hand to join or not to join. Because I don't think everyone has network issues. कौन कर पाए? So let's focus on the children who are present as of now. Because they are the regular ones. They attend every class, I have seen. And even Sunil sir, he also attends every day. Yeah.
Do it. Looking at the example given, try out the exercise. Exercise 2. Make questions about the situation in exercise 1. Example, how long Ravi be in England? How long has Ravi been in England? How long Deepak and Sumitra know Peter? How long you have cat? How long Sheila lived in Maldives? How long Sham be 21? How long you work in Chennai? Do it first.
How long Deepak and Sumita have known Peter? Am I correct, sir? Number B. How long Deepak and Sumitra have known Peter? Is this correct, sir? Hello? Is my voice audible to all?
audible. Yes,
Yes,
yes.
you are audible. Okay. Can I read second one? How long have you? Okay. How long have you been here? Sorry. How long you have cat? Okay. How long uh, have you a cat? No, no, no. That is not correct. What about the number C, sir? I'm not getting the answer.
Sir?
Sorry, there are not. Yes.
Panchanan sir, he has some issues, I think. Sir, are we audible to you?
I think some network issue or
Yeah.
his
Just
earpod is not working, I think.
let me find out. Rest of you can solve it in your notebook.
Okay.
Shreya has joined. How are you, Shreya? Are you doing well?
Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Hello.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
So we are talking about the question number C, sir. We are not getting the answer. How long have you been a cat?
No.
What could be its answer, sir?
Answer. C, A, B, C. How long? How long have you had a cat?
How long have you have a cat? Yes.
How long have you had a cat?
I am typing
sir.
the answer in the chat box, okay?
Okay.
See, this is the answer. Next one, please. Anyone can try?
The next one, D.
Yeah. Shreya, you can also
How
try.
long?
Yeah.
How long has? Okay, let me complete this one.
Yes.
How long has Sheila? How long has Sheila lived in Maldives?
Okay. Good. Next. Other participant.
Other participants, yes. Please be interactive.
Sir, can I try E E?
Okay.
How long Sham has been 21? How long Sham has been 21?
Okay, good.
Last one. Who will try?
How long have you worked in Chennai?
Who's this?
Adya sir.
Adya, welcome to my
Namaskar,
station.
sir. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Nice to see you. Nice to have you in today's session.
Thank you.
And dear participants, Shia Abhyasa is a YouTube content developer. She has a YouTube channel on her own, and she is very articulate. My favorite.
It is all your blessings, sir.
Thank you so much.
And this is the name of the YouTube channel that she has joined with, Shreya's Moving Films. You can go and check out her content. She's a very studious girl. Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Definitely.
Okay, try the last one. Sure. Ajay,
Yes, sir.
try the last one.
How long have you worked in Chennai?
Okay, good. Then let's move on to the activity number 3. Make negative sentence using not or long. Not long. Here is an example given. He been married. He has not been married long. Remember, you have to make it negative by using the adverb not. Long. Okay. Try this, the beat B. Anybody?
We have not been in England so long. Only long. We have not been in England long. So lived है ना? We have not lived. We have not been lived in England long.
No, been, no been. So try the beat C.
They have not been. Sorry, they have not worked here. They have not worked.
They have not worked here long.
Okay, they have not worked here long. I have been. I have not been a teacher long.
Next, any other participant?
Okay, sir.
Chitra
He
Sen?
has not been a car long.
Please repeat. Yeah, you can please repeat. Chitra Sen, hello, you said something.
Yes, sir. She has not been a car long.
No. Any other participant? Try it out.
She has have been. Sorry, she has not have been a car since long.
No.
Not since. Okay. Only long.
No.
She don't have a car for long.
No. Yeah, remember, you have to use the present perfect tense. Remember, we are talking about present perfect tense. Remember this.
Yes, sir. Okay. She has not had a car long. Is it correct, sir?
She hasn't had a car long.
Yes, sir.
She hasn't had
Had a car
had a car long. Huh? Huh. F. No, she has not. She has not had a car long.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. Next one, anyone can try. Please unmute yourself.
Then F.
Yeah.
He has not known her long.
Hmm?
He has not known her long.
You have not.
He has not known her long.
He has not known her long. Huh?
Sir.
Okay. Then G.
पिन ଲାଗିବନି କି ସାର୍
Hmm?
ପିନ୍ ଲାଗିବ he
Been like, been,
has not been known to her long
No, ସେଟା passive ହେଇଗଲା ସେଟା.
Hmm?
Passive ହେଇଗଲା ହେଲା. He has not known her long. Okay, present perfect ହେଲା କି ନାହିଁ?
Present perfect negative କରିବାର ଅଛି.
He has not known her long.
Okay, last one. Sir, shall I try the last one? You have not been married long.
He has not been married long.
ରାଇଟ୍ ସାର୍ ଏଠି
Remember,
ଯେମିତି
yes,
ସାର୍
sir.
ଶୁଭ୍ରାଂଶୁ ସାର୍ କହିଲେ ବିନ୍ ଲାଗିବ ସାର୍ ସେଇଠି ବି ସବୁ ଜାଗାରେ ବିନ୍ ଲାଗିବ କିନ୍ତୁ ବିନ୍ ଟା ଛଡା ଯାଉଛି ବିନ୍ ଲାଗି କରି ବି ଆମେ ମେରିଡ୍ କହିପାରିବା ଯେମିତି କି ବିନ୍ ଲାଗୁଛି ବିନ୍ ଲାଗିଲେ ସାଧାରଣତଃ ପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟ ପରଫେକ୍ଟ ପ୍ରୋଗ୍ରେସିଭ ହେଇଥାଏ କିନ୍ତୁ ଏଇଟା ସବୁ ପେସିଭ୍ ରେ ଏକା ଅଛି ଯେହେତୁ ହି ହାଜ୍ ନଟ୍ ବିନ୍ ମେରିଡ୍ ତ ଏଇଟା ପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟ କଣ୍ଟିନ୍ୟୁଅସ୍ ରେ ପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟ ପରଫେକ୍ଟ କଣ୍ଟିନ୍ୟୁଅସ୍ ରେ ନ ଆସିକି ଏଇଟା ପେସିଭ୍ ରେ ରହୁଛି
Passive नहीं था married है ना adjective हिसाब से use है ना passive नहीं Yeah, I have got tired means it is passive no I have got tired है ना adjective हिसाब से use है ना past participle use हिसाब से use है नहीं जैसे हम कहते हैं I have got tired means that means I have become tired or I have been tired এটা বি है ना বিন পরে অ্যাডজেক্টিভ ইউজ প্যাসিভ নাই নেক্সট
ଏଇଟା ଓ ପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟ ପରଫେକ୍ଟ ରେ ହିଁ ଆସିବ ସାର୍
প্রেজেন্ট পারফেক্ট তবে আমরা রিমেম্বার ওয়ান থিং উই আর ডিসকাসিং প্রেজেন্ট পারফেক্ট টেন্স নট দি প্যাসিভ ভার্সন
ମୁଁ ତାହାକୁ ଏ ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ଜାଣି ମାନେ ଏତେ ଏ ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ଜାଣି ନାହିଁ ମୁଁ କି ସେ ଏ ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ମ୍ୟାରେଜ କରିନାହାନ୍ତି ଏମିତି ତାର ହେବ ନା କଣ ହବ ଓଡ଼ିଆରେ ସାର୍ ଏବେ ଯଦି କହିବା ଯୋଉଟା କି ଆମର କହିଛି ବି ଆଉ ମ୍ୟାରିଡ୍ ଅଛି you have not been married yet or married long
बोलो
sir you have not been married long or married yet भी करि पारबा तो एटी long जगह रे तो जेहेतु हमको long यूज करबा पई कहूचे तो you have not been married long तो ए पर्यंत
येट नहीं खाली लॉन्ग यूज करबार
हां long येट जगह हम long यूज करलो तो ए पर्यंत से मैरिज करी नाहंती ना तार उड़िया कोन हबो
से बेसी दिन हला बाहा है ना
एते दिन हला ए बाहा है नाहंती
ହେଲା
एठी जोटा कहलो he has not known her long मन तारो ओडिया कोन है he has not
बेसी
known
दिन होला जानि नि से बेसी दिन रु जानि नि से
बहुत दिन हला से जानि नांदी ना या को कोन को आज
जानि कर बेसी दिन है नि दैट मींस
हां आमे बहुत दिन हला मु माने एबे जानि छी जोटा नै कि सर
हां
मु एबे जानु छी मु बहुत दिन रो जानि नथिली हां
आमे स्ट्रक्चर टा को राइट करवार अछि हला जे प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस होछि कि नै सब एटा पूरा स्ट्रक्चरल कॉम्पिटेंस ऊपर फोकस करा गला ओके नेक्स्ट
Okay, question number 4. First paragraph. Who will do? The first one has been done. Answer देई देइचंती. ता परटा किए करिवो? Please unmute yourself and start. Yes, anyone? Rashmi Sagar, will you try? Rashmi Sagar. Okay, Shreya, you can also try.
ट्राई करो अरे भूल हो राइट हो ट्राई करो
Yes, please.
Yes, sir. My wife and I got married in 1976.
No, Shreya. First, Jan. That one.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Jan has been a teacher for 10 years. She became a teacher when she left university in 1987. She likes traveling and has been all over the world.
अब तमे आगे पढ़े दिया तापर डिस्कस करबा
Okay.
Continue.
Last year she went to China.
My wife, a paragraph.
My wife and I got married in 1976. So we have been married for more than 20 years now. When she got married, we lived with my wife's mother, but we bought this house 15 years ago, and since then we have lived here.
Okay. Great. Sir, now
जोटा एठी एक्सरसाइज जोटे टाइम रेफरेंस दिया छी से जगह रे प्रेजेंट पास्ट सिंपल यूज करबो आ जोटे टाइम रेफरेंस दिया है ने प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस एबे ट्राई करो
Can I, sir?
हां
Yes, sir. Jan has been a teacher for 10 years. Okay.
हां
She became a teacher when she left university in 1987. She likes traveling and went all over the world. Last year,
then went all over the world have a time reference दिया है नहीं
actually,
she likes traveling and has been all over the world
okay, sir. Last year she went to China. My wife and I got married in 1976.
very good.
So we have been for more than 20 years
You
now.
have been married. छाड़ो और बार रखा है कि आराम रे करो
When we got married, we live with my wife, mother, but we have bought this house 15 years ago, and since then we live here.
we have lived here
Yes, sir.
है ना हाँ कम्युनिकेटिव एक्टिविटी नेक्स्ट क्लास रे करिवा आज तो पिला बेसी कम अछो दिस इज वेरी डिस्करेजिंग देखो आगे मैं तुमको कौन कहଥିଲି जे तुमको लिंग्विस्टिक बा तमर स्ट्रक्चरल कॉम्पिटेंस को माने डेवलप करेबी तापर कम्युनिकेटिव एक्टिविटीज अछि देखो कम्युनिकेटिव एक्टिविटी पेज नंबर 132 ब्रिलियंट बही मो पाकर अछि এটা বেশি আমি ইংলিশ সেপারেট মিশন प्रोग्राम रे यूज करू और पिला माने झुमी उठंती है ना ये तो कौन इतने कम पिला गाओ थैंक यू सो मच फॉर योर कमिटमेंट टू जॉइन एवरी सेशन एवरी डे
We are privileged to yes sir.
ब्रिलियंट एक्टिविटी जानते ना बहीटा एते सुंदर खाली लिंग्विस्टिक कॉम्पिटेंस दे देछि स्ट्रक्चर कांसेप्ट नोट दे देछि तापर तार कम्युनिकेटिव डेवलप करि छि कम्युनिकेटिव जस्ट ए मिनिट से पेज नंबर केते सुब्रांशु से कम्युनिकेटिव एक्टिविटी करि छि जे
पेज नंबर 132
नहीं नहीं कम्युनिकेटिव एक्टिविटीज जो लिखी छि
हाँ सेटा लिखिछि सी पेज 132 लिखिछि
132
आज्ञा
132 है ना थिबो लास्ट जो लिखा छि कम्युनिकेटिव
अच्छा
एक्टिविटी
सेटा लिखाइछि 85 रे
हां 185 ना कोन
ना ना नॉर्मल खाली 85
ओके 85
आज्ञा सर
नॉर्मल 85
आज्ञा सर
नहीं नहीं तो भूल कहूछ
हाँ सर रोहन तुम पुणी शेयर करू
हाँ पेज नंबर 138 32 हाँ 80 बाहर ला
132
नहीं नहीं 131 पेज नंबर
मु सर पुणी थरे शेयर करू आपण देखंतु
131 हाँ केते एटा
132 लिखा है जी सर तळे
से पेज नंबर 132
आज्ञा
हाँ सेटा तुम प्रेजेंट गोटे तुम फ्रेंड सारे डायलॉग इनिशिएट करि पारो जेंति हाउ लॉन्ग हैव यू लिव्ड इन दिस प्लेस से का ओ फॉर क्वाइट सम इयर्स है ना तापरे तुम पचारि पारो हाउ लॉन्ग यूज करि कि हाउ लॉन्ग हैव यू बीन मैरिड तो वो we have been married since 2007 की टाइप मेंशन करिवो जने फॉर हाउ सिंस से डायलॉगिंग हबो तो काली की करबा है केमती लागला सेशन ता बोरिंग सुपर बोरिंग
नो सर नॉट एट ऑल
नो सर
सर पिला जॉइन कले इट विल बी मोर इंटरेस्टिंग सर नथिंग एल्स आमे बहुत अल्प वी आर ओनली 5 to 6 of them that's why that is the thing
देखो ये सब जिंस बेसी बड़ बड़ लोक माने
I'll type the sentences as you speak okay so start speaking let's make it interactive okay chalo
Okay. I have already completed my homework.
हेलो
I have already completed my homework.
I have already na I am
Sir,
I am na I have
I have, sir. I
Okay,
have
हाँ.
already completed my homework.
okay हाँ
okay
then next just
I have just reached home.
very good next
I have never been to Kolkata.
never ever
Good.
never
Oh,
ever
sorry.
अच्छी
हाँ
है।
never ever ठीक है चलेगा हाँ
Next.
Hmm.
I have not completed my homework yet.
Good. Very good. Very good. Hmm.
ଗୋଟେ ରହିଗଲା sir, so
So-
far ରହିଗଲା.
So far mean A পর্যন্ত. As yet. So far mean as yet. Not yet. So far means I have not visited my auntie so far. That means till now. Until now. Correct.
Okay, sir. Next, as yet.
Yes, next one please.
Next, as yet.
No, as yet is done, I
I have
think.
been waiting for you as yet.
What?
As yet is completed.
No. Say that again. Say that
Only
again.
yet is completed. But how to use as yet?
Okay, sir, he's asking how to use as yet.
As yet. As yet means not yet.
Yes.
I have not visited my old friends as yet.
Okay, sir.
તમારું ଗୋଟେ sentence କୁହ.
Sir, the next is once I have been to Mumbai.
Once.
ହଁ. କର.
I have been to Mumbai once. Yes.
Okay. Then
Sir, what is the meaning of hitherto?
hitherto means so far, as yet. So far. As yet. Hitherto. Nobody has written a letter to me hitherto, or so far, or as yet, or till now, or until now. ତାପରେ once ର ଗୋଟେ ଇଏ ଶୁଣ, I will call you once I have reached home. ବୁଝିଗଲା ତ?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I will reply you once I have received your letter. I will give you some money once I have received, got my salary. Okay? Kara, basi make more sentence.
Okay, next one please.
I have not been paid up to now.
Yeah, Rashmi Sagar, he has not got his money so far. Very good.
Nobody has submitted their assignments till now.
Good.
Next one.
Pooja has recently reached home.
Recent nahi reach सब गुण हवा नहीं. I have recently completed a spoken English course. एंती है वो है ना?
Sir.
I would go.
He has been asking the same question frequently.
He has been asking. I am present perfect tense पढ़ूँ. Please remember this.
Okay, sir. I have faced this problem frequently.
Good. ଆଉ କେତେଟା ରହିଲା ସୁଧାଂଶୁ?
Sir, ଆଉ ତିନିଟା.
Raju visited her grandma often. I have joined spoken English ESM online webinar lately.
Very good.
Last one, up late.
Of late. We use of late.
Up late. Yeah.
Of late means recently or lately.
We can make the same sentence. I have joined spoken English classes of late.